Greetings, members, one and all of the Salivation Nation. Testing. Okay, let's see if we're live. Okay. Having some serious issues. Power problems here. Big storms here, and it is causing some power troubles. So the power may go out.
Greetings, members,
just so you know. And we may have to start all over again, but I'm determined to get this done. It's been a crazy day today. Had a lot went wrong today, but anyways. Let's see here. Okay, let's get back down to the bottom of this. Sorry about that, guys. We are back. And get to everything. Most of you guys don't realize there's a lot that goes on behind the scenes when you do live streams, and mine are a lot simpler than others out there, but nonetheless, it is what it is. Let's see here. So we're going to try to start this again, and let's see where we are at. So, power problems. Let me get back down to the bottom. So we're watching the markets here. Let's take a look at the markets, and they're opening out of Asia. So again, we saw silver go up pretty dramatically, and today over $1.30, and gold went up as well, but not quite as dramatically. But gold did take a pretty steady incline for sure. So there's that. And we're watching the markets out of Asia right now as they open up first, and they open up always 6 o'clock each weekday, and that's exactly what's going on now. So there's where they're at now. Silver's down just slightly, and gold is down just slightly. We saw this pretty much the same type of movement at the opening gate on Sunday. But let's get into largely we're going to be discussing the markets today with this video that I posted this morning. So thanks you guys for being with me. This thing is not telling me how many viewers I have or anything like that. I don't know what's going on here. Let me refresh this page. So I don't know how 10 watching. Okay, yeah, that's strange. It's taken that away from me now. So I don't know how many people are here. I just trust that we have enough people here. Let's see here. Moving ahead. I'm going to get down to the very bottom of these comments. It's going to take a while. Let's see here. Yes, it was an interesting day indeed. Interesting day indeed. Very good. Let's see here. Oh, where are we at? Getting to the bottom of these. So I hope everybody has had a good day otherwise. We don't get many days like this where the market's going to go crazy. Of course, the psychology behind it is something, and I posted about that on my most recent video this afternoon. As well, it was something else. All right, let's see here. Chat says 0 watching. Can anybody tell me how many people are watching this stream now? Because it's not telling me. Just tell me how long I started streaming. Don't know what's going on here. Okay, let's see. Okay, there's Cactus Jack. Profit taking might cause a temporary dip. Yeah, we covered that. Very good. Thanks, Cactus Jack, and you're right. Road Ready says, hot day on July 21st, and I'm in a good mood. I'll still be buying gold and silver. Have been since a kid. Very good. Nice. All right. Nice. Okay, let's see here. 15 views. Okay, thanks, Joey from Seattle. 12 viewers. So, see, I think we started out good on the last one, and now everybody's gone. I think they're trying to find the old one, which is unfortunate, this darn thing. I tell you what, I hate it when this happens, but there's nothing you can do about a power outage. Nothing you can do about those. Those battery backups, by the way, are worthless. They eat up batteries so fast, you might as well not even have one. All right, very good. Let's see here. All right. So hopefully we'll get some more people popping in here. BZ, 10 sec. Silver is a freight train on steroids, and once to date, $24 an ounce. Yeah, I know that's what it should be, but we never know. That freight train could be stopped, and that's kind of what I want to do is to kind of temper this. Not because I'm not excited about it, not because I don't want to see it in many regards, because I want it to validate what people's thoughts are on it. We have to be realistic about it, and that's kind of my temperament, and that's why this video was done this morning. Very good. All right. Jules G says, yes, I love it. Yes, very good. It is exciting to see, for sure. The Puppet Masters is going to try the best to knock silver back down. It never fails, but for now, Go silver. There you go. Yes, indeed. All right. Well, yes, indeed. Only the tokers followed. Yeah, there you go. All right. Very good. We have 11 thumbs up now. Silver is climbing a wall of worry. Yes, and I wonder if that's going to be the case too. You know, this is one of those things where it literally could be one of those things where people get so concerned about the markets and about where things are going that it just really starts to shoot up, especially with demand increasing and the like. But we'll see how it plays out. All right, let's see here. Hugh Beef says, it has never moved like this in 4 years. I owned it. Finally a breakthrough. Yes, that's a good point. This is the biggest move I think I've ever seen in silver since I've been paying attention to it as well. Although it has made pretty big leaps in the past. But since I've really been following it closely, I've not seen it do it quite like this. Big crazy. Hawaii AG says, woke up at 4 a.m. here to check the market, and the song Up, Up, and Away by the Fifth Dimension immediately played in my head. Love that round, Sal. Thank you so much, Hawaii AG. It's the only thing I had that I could kind of show while doing this video impromptu, but thank you so much, Hawaii AG. Hello, Terry. Good to see you. Yes, indeed. All right. And Rocky Superstar says, Sal, watching silver go up and down is just crazy. Spot silver 2120, SD Bullion, Silver Eagles, SD Bullion 2851. I better borrow Silver Honda, Blue Honda, and fill it up. Yes. Well, and the thing is you want to be very careful. I wouldn't just go out buying right at the moment. I'd kind of wait, see if it pulls back a little bit. Of course, it could still go up as well, too, but usually if there's a big dramatic move up quickly, it could snap back just as quickly. So, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it plays out. Michael Knight says, wait, I wasn't done buying silver yet. I was hoping silver would stay low long enough for the premiums to go down, then buy. Certainly don't plan on buying with the high spot price plus premiums. I'm glad I bought what I did before the COVID-19 thing hit because the silver price has been jacked up since. Funny how when silver fell to $12 a troy ounce in March, but the physical prices went up. That's right. Just shows how accurate the prices are for non-physical silver, or when they don't even match the physical, not even close. That just tells me the physical was really never anywhere near the price it showed electronic price. How can anyone go off that when it was nowhere near the actual price? Well, and the thing is that there is premiums, and a lot of that has to do with the supply chains, but eventually it would have evened itself out. It would have eventually evened itself out if the supply chains would have closed up. But that typically does happen. There's a big run on, and the supply chain, even without a coronavirus, the premiums do tend to go up during these times. It's just this is an unusual time with how much is happening. Slavaki says, silver's up. It's a hot day. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Gold is up enormously. Yes, $22. Very good. Nice. All right, guys. Just another reminder here, everybody. There are thunderstorms happening, and my power could go out again at any time, just as it did before, and I might have to start over again. But if I do, I'm not going to delete the other one. I'm just going to keep going. Well, I can't just resume. Unfortunately, it will not let me resume from where I left off. I wish it would, because then I'll lose a lot of viewers. I don't know how many viewers I have here now, but I appreciate you all being here. We're going through the markets, going through the comments of these from the $21 silver video. It's been a rough day, actually. When I posted this video, I forgot to turn on the levels of monetization. And this video here is my fastest performing video ever in the history of my channel, and I forgot to turn monetization on, which sucks. So, I mean, not that, the important thing is getting the information out there and stuff, but boy, missing out on a lot of revenue on that. But anyways, oh well. Mr. Sting says, Uncle Sal, you're thinking this must be serious. Or sure you weren't Jermaine Jackson. Yes, indeed. I think I remember that song. Yeah, baby, $21 new base. Very good. Yes, indeed. All right. Okay. Scared of thunderstorms. Well, you just hilled me. What's hilled me mean, Joey? Yeah, it sucks when these thunderstorms hit. Corey Morrell says, I won't celebrate yet. I want to know, is this our money crashing or is it true increase in value? Value increase is difficult to determine. 2,000 years ago, 1/10 troy ounce was an average day's pay in the Roman Empire. Case of $1,000 silver. Of course, you can't really make that adjustment today because, Corey, there's a lot more silver out there than it was. A lot less silver. In fact, silver to gold ratio in Egypt that long ago was about 1 to 1. So yeah, it's not the way it is anymore. Hello, Italian G. Good to see you. CCT, yes, the live stream is working. Yes, indeed. Very good. And let's see here. Slavaki says, Sal, just be positive. Hope for the best. Give us a nice slurp. Yes, indeed. We shall see what happens. I'm cautiously optimistic because really it should be. Silver should be performing as it is. And really it should even be higher than this. In theory, it should be $30 to $40 an ounce by now if it's performing like gold is, but it's not. We're less than half the value where it should be. When is the slam coming? Anybody tell me how many viewers I've got? This thing will not tell me. I don't know why this thing is not doing that. I'm going to try something else again. I'm going to go back to it and come back in and see if I can see this. Let's see here. Maybe I can do it this way. No. Nope. Doesn't tell me how many viewers. I don't know why that's happening. Anyways. Alright, we're back here. Let's see. Okay. Vegas Stacker says, I can't believe this, Sal. I've been busy buying every couple of weeks, getting harder to find physical silver. I'm still stacking, even at these prices, because the dealers can't get it. Yes. It'll be interesting to see when I visit my local coin shop. I'm very curious. Okay, 45.58. Thank you. Thank you. Donald says 87 viewers, but I know that's not right. Let's see here. Meteor Man, I have to take a close look at my silver holdings to see what I can part with. All right, there you go. I would hold on. I don't think I wouldn't sell at this point. And yes, it could come back down, but I think it's even if it goes back down, I think it's probably going to normalize at some point. What that means or how that could play out is anybody's guess, but we'll find out here. Big slurp to you, John Bellinger. I would say, though, still, silver's got more upside potential than not. Thank you, Joey53 watching now. Thank you. Rock and Rod doesn't see it on his either. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. Marvin Sarmiento says it's about time. The amount of money printed is perverted beyond reason. We are in biblical times, and silver is just catching up at the end of the month. A lot of those free money will dry out and start a new cycle in QE. Yes. All the kinds of reasons that could lead to silver making a move upwards. All right, let's see here. Hillbilly Prepping says price on eBay is $30 for Silver Eagles now. Wow, crazy to think about, is it not? Man, crazy. Let's see here. All right, very good. Hello, Coin Group, and good to see you guys. Jamie Fox, Italian G, thanks you guys for being here. Sorry about the power outage earlier. We're back. It still could come again. I hear the thunder. I wish the power companies would be better at that kind of thing, but it happens. And silver says 356 Porwa. And those who bully are cowards. Thank you. And let's see here. Coke beats Pepsi. What's with all this sourpuss? Screw the hangover. That's tomorrow. This is today. Let's party. 21 for a fleeting moment is still a rare glimpse of sunshine in a dark tunnel. That's true. You can grab a drink and enjoy it, or you can sit in the corner and sulk. There you go. Let's go out and buy Bitcoin and put a fork in this thing. Well, that's right. Well, yeah, and believe you me, you're right. Even if it's for a fleeting moment, it's a glimpse of what it could be. But keep in mind, too, that silver did go below $12 an ounce, handedly below $12 an ounce at one time. So it can move up. It's very, very volatile. And we might be seeing volatility, or we could see a return to a normalization. We'll find out. Let's see here. Hello, Barbara. Good to see you. All right. Divide and Drip Waterfall says silver is finally getting exciting again. Love it. Yes, I do too. But that's just for today. We're going to check those markets coming out of. That's part of what we're doing here tonight. We're doing an unusual Tuesday night market watch to see what the markets are doing because of how fast it has moved up. Mark B says, seems like this is awful fast, Uncle Sal. Yes, unusually fast, which means it could go unusually fast in the other direction. And Nicholas also understands that and recognizes how fast it went too. Only one Trav says, great silver mine, ASXL, SLVL, second largest silver deposit on planet, reliable in Australia, known as safe investment when PM markets are ready to boom. All right, very good. Let's see here. Hello, Rick. Good to see you. And Joey, thanks for the update. How many are watching? 58. Appreciate that. And Bird Loop says, when pennies are legal tender, businesses can legally refuse to take them in payment. If the U.S. stops using penny like U.S., Canada, or like Canada, New Zealand, your buckets of pennies will only be worth the recycle value, which is going to be near what they're worth right now. All right, let's see here. Aaron Benson says the ETF price and physical price diverted months ago. The genie has left the bottle. Yes. All right. That's right. We have a separation there for sure. No question about that. Patrick T says, I started buying at the end of 2017. I remember buying Philharmonic coins for $15.90 from ST Bullion. I wish I could have bought more during the March drop. Was only able to buy a monster box from Mason Mint for $15.90. Well, if you were to get that for that was a great price back then, for sure. Very good. All right, let's see what the markets are doing. We are checking it out down in Asia, and so far, look at this, guys. Unusual. Everything is flat except for palladium, and I think palladium just kind of stuck there. This is strange, guys. They're flat. We've been in the markets about 25 minutes here out of Asia. Why are they flat? Let's see here. Look at that. They're flat. They dipped and then kind of went back up and stopped right there. Let's see what silver's doing. Ah, that was strange. That thing kind of popped and then went away. So it went down and came back. Did they freeze the markets? We're going to check that. We're going to refresh that, or it could just be my system. I'm not sure. Yes, indeed. Yeah, high frequency transaction. It could be. Yes. All right, let's get back here to the comments. All right, we're going to check on that and see if something's going on there. This is great. Even Terry has to like this. Maybe Terry does. Terry, what does Terry think about these? Fake market, she says. Probably fake silver price. Rilo says, all the fools listening to those who were smashing silver is going to regret listening to those experts. Glad I never listened. All right. Yeah. Smashing silver, or maybe bashing silver. Well, and the thing is Rilo, is, you know, there's one thing to bash silver. There's another thing to be realistic about silver. However, people were criticizing me for hating silver or bashing it, but I wasn't. But I'm still, even when the prices go up, even if they stay up and keep going up, I know I now have a better understanding now than ever before silver's history. And that history means that it's volatile and it could go back down again. Because believe you me, in 2013 and in 2014, when I started this channel, I never would have dreamed that it would go under $20. Well, maybe I would have dreamt it, that it would go under 20 for a little bit, but not under 15, and it did. Pudenda is still in the tub. Yes, indeed. And it's indeed. All right, very good. Ready for push-ups? Yeah, probably here soon. I'm going to catch up on some of these comments, though. Is that your pocket piece? Yes. Thanks, Terry. Hello, Silver Wolverine. Good to see you. And we got Barbara Carbone. Really exciting stuff going on. Doesn't mean it's going to last. That's right. Analysts are predicting more of a rise in spot silver before it settles at around $18. There's always a downside. Our dollar is weakened. In the meantime, we're still enjoying these silver prices. Very good. Yes. So, yeah, and I didn't see that. So analysts are saying that it'll settle back around $18. I think that's potentially probably true. I wouldn't be surprised. This could be temporary. Lemzia says, whenever the talk is done and the stimulus is signed, the price of gold and silver will dance upward again because they will have to print more fiat to cover that talk. That's true. And there's already great talk about it. It's going to be coming probably soon. Good to see you guys. All right. Stanger's here. Good to see you. Silver Stanger, good to see you. Donald Jewell is here. Good to see you. All right. All of you guys, appreciate you being here. When it crashes back down, I will buy the metal. Yes. Yes, but you know the thing is you never know. It may not crash back down. We'll see here. Tony says I was seeing silver $22 by 1220. Kind of thought provoking seeing it loose like it is now. Scarcity and hoarding may drive it further away from the ability for the normal Joe to purchase it. Well, yeah, I mean, it depends. That's right. Rising spot is like a thunderstorm. It will come and go. That's right. Hopefully that thunderstorm's gone. It's frustrating when that happens. Sal, you absolutely rock, my friend. What an outstanding coin. Thanks for coming over and spending time in my live last night. Yes, she's a great singer. Check her out. She does her lives. She's just on a Monday night. Terrell. Alan N. The hype train is here. Pull back video. Silvers go down. Buy, buy, buy. Pump you up. All right. Yes, indeed. This video was my fastest performing video, and I forgot to monetize it. Yeah, crazy. Forgot to monetize this video. So I lost out on a lot of revenue on that sucker, but oh well. C'est la vie. Let's see here. Here's me trying to stay calm. Yes, indeed. I know, I hear you. It's hard. But the thing is, you know, you get really too excited and then it crashes and it's like your dreams and hopes are smashed. Captain Ron says, I'll still be buying in whatever quantities I can afford, up to $30 an ounce. You spent half the video displaying caution. I cannot wait to laugh. Yes, indeed. Well, you know what, Ron, I hope that you're right. But you know, and I hope that you can come back to me, Ron, and say, see, I was right and you were wrong. And I would love to be wrong for the people out there that bought. I don't want to see anybody lose out on silver or any precious metal out there. But I've always been kind of tempered, my views tempered on it because of the way the markets are. And silver has been more volatile. Let's see here. Eddie's Little Stack says, report Sal here, just in, silver is up. All right, very good. Yes, indeed. Donald Robinson said, all debt repaid stocks at 50,000 government budgets and balanced dollar value source. Sell your metals while you can and save fiat in the bank. All right, let's see here. I'm not sure I get that. Sell your metals. I don't think you should sell your metals. Jay, 50% higher from here to November. Okay, Jay. We shall see. You might be right. Let's see here. Yes, JD, I did that in my car. And when I did it, I forgot to monetize the all of it, so I didn't, yeah. I was just so quick to hurry to get it out there that I forgot to monetize it. And it turns out, doesn't it figure, this is my best performing video, and I forgot to monetize the thing. Terry, Terry should make it up to me in Super Chat or PayPal me a bunch of money. What do you think about that, Terry? Can you make that up to me since I forgot to monetize this video? I'm begging Terry for Terry's money. Please, Terry, I'm begging you. Terry, please send me money. Terry, send me money. Money, Terry, money, money, Terry, money, Terry, money. Did you get it? All right. Hello, Cleocatra. All right, there you go. That was my e-begging for just Terry only. She loves it. She loves that. I'm a YouTube daddy. And I want to ask Terry who is her daddy. You know what I'm saying? Because if I'm a YouTube daddy, the only person to ask that question is Terry. That's indeed right. All right, very good. Okay, let's see here. Ka-ching, ka-ching. I'm just teasing you. I'm having a little fun. Good to see you, Silver Husky. Beg harder. That's right, I need to beg harder. I'm on my knees begging Terry. Chuck and Plata, how much more should I sell to push silver over $22? Yeah, exactly. Doesn't figure. It goes way up as soon as Chuck and Plata sells the silver. All right, very good. All right, let's see here. Day Stacker, gonna be a pullback, then boom. Yes, very well could be. We might see it come back down to $18 as Barbara predicted, and then just take off, or who knows? We'll see. We'll find out. Zero latitude. In reality, the value of the dollar has gone down. So if your GS is worth X dollars and the value of your dollar is zero, your GS equals zero, but you're low for bread. If you can't shoot it, drink it, smoke it, eat it, convert GSE to whiskey right now, that's for a minute. Get off your butt, buy guns, whiskey, cat food, anything, use every day, assets, and not rocks and paper. You're always good to be prepared and get the necessities for sure. Oh, Coin Group of Minnesota, thank you so much for that super chat. Wow, very kind of you indeed, my friend. Smartest guy in precious metals. Thank you, sir. Very, very kind of you. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. That'll go towards what I lost on this video when I posted it today. Thank you so much, my friend. Very, very kind of you indeed. Tricky Guy is here. What's your average purchase price for your entire collection? Oh, man, good grief. That's hard to say. How would you mean? Like in terms of silver, gold? I don't know. That's very difficult because I have such a diverse number. My numbers are $33,000 gold and 35 silver. Wow. Wow. Yeah, I don't even know because I've bought at various different price points. I would say probably silver because a lot of it's collectible. Probably the higher end. Maybe my guess is maybe 35 like you. Maybe a little bit higher, but I don't know. And then gold, probably a little bit less. All right, very good. Holy moly, by the way, quoting from Tricky Guy's comment. Okay, very good. Yes, indeed. All right, let's see here. Okay, Silver Damsel. I am ready to party like a 2112. Rush reference. Oh, yeah, there you go. Good one. Let's, speaking of rush, let's rush back to the markets here. All right, they are moving now, guys. They are moving. Gold is only down slightly. So relatively holding fast, and silver has moved up another 2 cents to $21.43. So silver's holding on to those gains in Asia. So we're watching these markets here. Very, very good. All right, let's see here. Let's move back here. Some of these comments. Whizbang, Sal, you used your coffee break to make a video. Yes, indeed, I sure did. Sure did. Forgot to monetize the darn thing. Hello, Silver Wolves. Good to see you. Well, my Eagles are soaring for now. There you go. Yes, they sure are. They are soaring. Yes, indeed. Let's see if we can get... I want to see. Because, you know, one thing that doesn't stop, even if the markets do, and even if the power goes out, and I think we might be able to have this thing working, is scammers. They continue to call. So we're going to call Lewis here. And I think my application is actually working here. Believe it or not. Strangely enough. It's working. Unusual. Lewis. Calling Lewis. Hopefully the power won't go out in the middle of our conversation with Lewis. Alright. Come on. Come on. Answer the call, Lewis. He said he's here all the time. This guy says he's up 24 hours a day. Anytime of the day to take the call. Hello, Aztec Gold, Dale Val, good to see you. Older man.
The Google subscriber you have called is not available. Please leave a message after the tone.
Let's try another one with another. They give me their Google subscriber numbers. All right, hello, Glenn D. Good to see you. Yes, exciting times indeed. We're calling some scammers here. This is how we roll. This is how we do it. We've got another one, Andrew, from Funding Solutions. I think this one might be an actual number. We'll go try Andrew. Andrew Carnegie. Coinhound, good to see you. Silver Damsel is here. Yes, the spot prices are crazy. Yes, they are. They sure are.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. 954591932.
Let's call Lewis back and leave a message. And if I leave a message, it should give him a text that it went out. These scammers, they love it. They love to do that. I wonder if Silver Damsel's in the bath. All right, let's see. Let's get Lewis back on the phone. Come on, Lewis. I need a loan so I can make a silver bathtub. That's right. How many days of silver going up $1 a day will it take for you to believe the damaged broken silver is going to be correctly evaluated? What's a fair price? Oh, that's a good question. I would say if we keep this thing going for 2
The
weeks.
Google subscriber you have called is
Hold
not
that
available.
thought.
Please leave a message
Coin
after
Group
the
just
tone.
became a honorary citizen. Thank you. Yes, hello. Listen, messages for Lewis. And I'm calling. I was told my business partner said to call you back at this time. So I am calling, and I was hoping you would answer the phone. My business partner said that you were always available 24/7. So I'm taking you up on that word, so I will try and call you back shortly. Please answer. Thank you. All right. Yes, thank you. All right, we have another honorary citizen with Coin Group of Minnesota. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. Yes, indeed. But tricky guy. I would say maybe 2 weeks of these prices continually going up, and a narrowing of the. It would also have to be the narrowing of the gold to silver ratio as well, in my mind. That's kind of what I'm looking at there. That's just my own personal thing. Everybody's different in that regards. All right. Any ketchup painted copper pennies for sale? Now there you go, Carlos. That's a good idea to ask them. The dip is long gone, says Nick Cruz. Feds can keep can't print the cash fast enough. I can't say that fast enough either. Very good. All right. Mark Nordgaard says, but gold are weak and silver, platinum, and palladium are up 5 to 6%. All right. Well, gold's not necessarily weak. It's just not climbing at the level that silver is. Gold is steadily climbing up, which is really what you want for everything to do. But anyways, Donald in New Mexico, 100 Sal. That Sal round looks fishy. You should get it certified as is. Fake. Yes, it could be fake. You never can know. You never can know. All right. Glenn D wants to be my business partner. All right. We got, who else do we have in here? Sorry if I'm not seeing you guys. It's been a really crazy day today. Talking about these markets and everything, and just a lot going on. I appreciate you guys being here. Anybody know how many people are watching, by the way? I'm not seeing that on my end. Silver's up 35% now. We got Dale Val. Aztec is here. Silver for Life is here. He's usually working this time. Never been able to listen live. Good to see you. Silver for Life. Yes, indeed. Yes, good to see you. Thanks for popping in. All right. Tucker's here. Appreciate you. Who else is here? Was Aaron Krause was in here earlier, I think, too. If I'm not mistaken. Thank you guys for being here. And thanks for Coin Group of Minnesota for popping in and being a honorary citizen. Thank you, all those one now. Like 43, 99 watching. Very good. And there, yes, Aaron Krause is here. Steve Woods is here. Thank you, guys. Dingleberry is here. Nice. So we're looking at the markets here, looking at see what's happening, because we had this fast price action, and it looks like the trend is continuing now. It's ramping up a little bit now. Gold is actually relatively flat at up 0.01%, up 20 cents, but silver is continuing to move 14 cents higher, well above $21.50 in the ask price. The bid price is $21.45. Notice the slight separation there between bid and ask. Anytime there's volatility in the markets like this, the spread between the bid and ask increases. So normally it would be like a dime. Now it's 11 cents. Very good. 113 watches. Thank you so much. Appreciate you guys. Thank you. All right. Very good. We got 56 thumbs up. Very nice. So we're going to go back. As part of our market watch, we're covering this video that I posted earlier today. Silver rising $21 and climbing. Uperman says, yep, that's natural forces at work here. Now if they would allow that to happen in the stock market. Yeah, I know. It's crazy.